Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anthony from the Antonio Way, and you are in for a new one today. So, as you can see, I'm recording on my iPhone. My camera was not cooperating, so you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? And my iPhone is not that bad quality, so, sorry if I keep moving, but, I just can't help it because I'm holding it up in front of the window, which is where the nice light is. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to flip two pieces from a thrift shop and make them look more expensive than they actually are. I spent a total of $5 and I am not complaining. I got a pair of Banana Republic pants and this nice shirt that's polka dot, but it's not, I don't know, you gotta see it for yourself. It's actually really nice and it looks way better short sleeve than it did when it was long sleeve. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, show some love, I'm not forcing you, just be nice, be kind. It's 2019, we need to be more nice to each other. And also follow me on Instagram at the Antonio Way. I post a lot of behind the scenes and a lot of my style. So before I keep talking, let's jump into this video. So this is the shirt that I bought from the thrift shop. As you can see, it has very small polka dots throughout and it has this nice buttoned pocket design on the front, but it's long sleeve. So we're gonna turn it into short sleeve. Now let's start. For this first project, you'll need a thrifted shirt, hot glue gun, and scissors. When cutting a long sleeve shirt and turning it into a short sleeve, I suggest cutting it right in the middle of the elbow, which is where I'm marking it. Lay the shirt down and start cutting where you marked it. For some weird reason, I forgot to mark the other sleeve, so the way that I did this, I folded the shirt completely in half, and I lined up the armpit area. Then the short sleeve is now on top of the long sleeve, and I used the short sleeve that I already cut as a guide to cut the long sleeve, which actually made it way easier. Once the cutting is done, it's time to fold. I did 3 folds and then it came out exactly how I wanted it because I believe the sleeve should be around the bicep area, especially on the man. It looks better and it kind of shows your arms off in a good way. So once you get it folded how you want, hot glue the front and the back and then do the same to the other sleeve. Fold the shirt in half and see if the two sleeves line up. If they do, you're all done. These are navy blue Banana Republic pants that I got from the thrift shop. I really don't like the bottom part and how they fit, so I think they'll look better as shorts. So for this project, that's what we'll be doing. For this second project, you will need thrifted pants, hot glue gun, and scissors. When marking the pants and where to cut them, I suggest doing it right in the middle of your knee. So when you fold it up, it's a little bit above your knee. You don't want your shorts too baggy and too long. This is not 1999. Lay your pants out and start cutting where you marked it. On this part, I did this a little backwards, I don't know why. So right when I cut the one leg, I decided to just roll it right away. I did 2 rolls and it ended up being super perfect, so that's what I suggest. But like I said, it's your preference. You can roll it as how many times you want. You can make it as long and short as you'd like. Just make sure that when you're done rolling, hot glue the front and the back. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other leg, then you're all done. So did you like the video? Come on now, did you really? Leave a comment down below if you didn't. If you didn't, whatever, leave a comment down below. Constructive criticism is good, part of life. But me personally, I loved it. And I love the way the shorts and the top turned out. It's definitely something I'm gonna be wearing a lot. And I love the monochromatic. I didn't even realize, you know, I got a navy blue pant, navy blue top, and it just came together naturally. The great thing about this is that you can do this absolutely out of the comfort of your own home, your friend's house, your grandma's house. All you need is a hot glue gun. And the good thing is that you can buy a hot glue gun at the dollar store, okay? I'm talking about $1. That's all you need. Hot glue gun to transform your clothes completely. That's how easy it is. So, if I didn't say it already, subscribe to my channel and follow me on the Antonio Way, because I post a video every week on Wednesday, and on my Instagram I post a lot of behind the scenes and a lot of my style. So just stay tuned. If you're not following me, go follow me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys, have an amazing day.